T-Mobile error code 998, also known as App Unknown Error, typically prevents app installations or updates from the Google Play Store, particularly on Android devices. This error arises from issues like cache corruption, app conflicts, or specific T-Mobile configurations. Recent trends show it's declining with T-Mobile's shift to 5G+, but still impacts users, especially after network optimizations or app updates. The error stems from a mismatch in app verification during downloads. Key factors include corrupted Play Store cache, APN settings blocking app requests, outdated Play services, and conflicting apps like VPNs. While not T-Mobile exclusive, their network settings can worsen it. It is more common on Android 10 to 14 devices. Clearing the Play Store's cache and data often resolves it, addressing the underlying issue without affecting user data. The primary solutions for Error 998 involve clearing the Google Play Store's cache and data. To do this, go to your device's Settings, then Apps, and find Google Play Store. Select Storage and tap Clear Cache and Clear Data. After clearing, restart your device and try installing or updating the app again. If the error persists, uninstall and reinstall the affected app. If neither works, contact T-Mobile support for further assistance, especially if you're on a T-Mobile device, as SIM card replacement or network-level adjustments might be necessary. Expert opinions suggest proactive maintenance helps, while future solutions may involve AI-driven diagnostics for automated fixes by 2026.